Today on Swarty and Harry Takeover, we visit 175 Queen Street East in St. Mary's, the site of the Town Hall. Erected in 1891 on the former site of a two-story hotel that burned down in 1889. Built of local limestone with red sandstone accents by an architect based out of Toronto. It's super sexy and sleek for its time period. The town has operated its services out of the building for well over 100 years. Let's go inside.
The building itself was built in 1891, so we're not exactly sure where the original bell went, but this is the structure that replaced this original town hall at this site. So another really cool piece that we have, and we got a lot of really cool pieces in St. Mary's Town Hall. So this is a portrait of Arthur Meehan that was donated to the town. And it was donated by the Honorable Michael Meehan, so I believe it was his son who donated to the town of St. Mary's. And another really interesting character in St. Mary's Town Hall history is this gentleman here. I can't profess to know his last name, but his name is Tom. He was a long-time caretaker of Town Hall, always came to work in a full suit, in a full tie. So this is a picture of him taking care of the cenotaph. So when I joke about this town hall being haunted, we all believe it's Tom. And there are a number of ghost stories. If you ever talk to the OPP or former town staff that have worked downstairs for a long period of time, they can talk about Tom haunting. So moving elevator up and down on command, like crazy knocks on windows and doors and things like that. It definitely happens here in Town Hall.
So I guess it's dressed for the job you want, not the job you have.
That's right. Yeah, he was always dressed this way. So this is still set up from a strategic priorities committee meeting we had today. And this is really where all the magic happens as far as the decision making in politics happens.
The architect was based in Toronto. Yep.
There you go. Watch your heads.
Holy moly.
So here, this is now that little view of this window here. But most of everything we're seeing here, some of it's new, so the wood on the floor is all new, and the trapdoor that the Swarty's on, and the railing's new. And then above this is everything else that was put onto the bell last year with all the, you can see all this reinforcing steel. So before we did this, when we rang the bell, the tower would actually sway back side to side.
Wow.
And so now we've stopped that, we can ring the bell again. The bell ringing is really just an electronic pendulum that hits the inside of the bell. It's on a timer, and that's what makes the noise you hear today.
Me climbing a ladder. I'm scared of heights. Look down, it's all okay. So this is actually reinforced, so I'm alright.
Yeah, you're good. This is as safe as it's going to get. There's some neat things up here that we have too. This camera is what we do to, in the wintertime, oops, I shouldn't probably move it. It helps us check out the amount of snow accumulation we're getting on the hill. So we know, we have on-call operators that check this to know whether or not we need to come up top snow. Some neat things we found when we came up here is you can see old names scratched into the wood here. So there's just some older ones from whenever people were up here doing various things. This is, of course, the entirely new superstructure.
Alright. Cool, I'll go take a peek and then, oh yeah, we are getting rained on, aren't we? Alright, we're dedicated right now to the task. There's a lot of climbing involved. I'm king of the world!
Okay, here you can see the mechanism that actually rings the bell. Okay, so this is the view from the top of the bell tower. Now it's raining on me now, and my head is actually in the bell. As you can see a long way from here. Thames River. Now I'm gonna get down before I fall. But this is pretty cool.